So now moving to first question, find perimeter and area of the following rectangle. So first part is we have given length is equal to 12 centimeter and breadth is equal to 8 centimeter. We have to find the perimeter and area of a rectangle. So that means firstly write length of rectangle is equal to 12 centimeter and breadth of rectangle is equal to 8 centimeter. Firstly, we find the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiply length plus breadth. That means 2 multiply 12 plus 8. 2 multiply 12 plus 8, it becomes 20. So now 20 multiply with 2, it becomes 40 centimeter. So now next one is find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle, that means L multiply B, length multiply breadth. 12 centimeter multiply with 8 centimeter. 12 8s are 96 centimeter square. Now moving to next question. Question number 2. Find the area of square whose side is equal to 8 centimeter. So side of square is equal to 8 centimeter and area of square is equal to side multiply by side. That means 8 centimeter multiply 8 centimeter. 8 8s are 64 centimeter square. In this way, we can find the perimeter and area of rectangle. Also, how can we find the area of square? In this way. Moving to next question. And question number 6. Calculate the perimeter and area. So firstly, we have given a figure. So in this figure, we have to find the perimeter and area. How can we find perimeter and the area of the figure? Firstly, write ID is equal to HG. Why we write ID is equal to HG? Because opposite sides of rectangle are equal with each other. So that means ID is equal to HG. So as IC plus CD is equal to HG plus GH. Because ID, how can become ID? It become IC plus CD. Suppose we have a line of 4 centimeter and give it name A, B and C. AB 2 centimeter and BC 2 centimeter. How can we find the value of AB? That means AC plus BC. 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter is equal to 4 centimeter. In this way, ID is equal to IC plus CD. IC plus CD become ID and HG plus GH become HJ. So now IC write as it is and put the value of CD. It is 12 and HJ G 10 centimeter and GH 6 centimeter because GJ is equal to FE. So now put the find the value of IC. How can we find? Firstly 10 plus 6 16. Subtract 12 from 16. It become 4 centimeter is equal to AB. Now as GJEF is a rectangle, therefore GJ is equal to FE becomes 6 centimeter and GF is equal to JE 7 centimeter. Now we have to find the perimeter of this figure. Perimeter of given figure. That means we have to add all the sides of the figure. AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH plus HA. Now put the value of AB 4 centimeter, BC 4 centimeter, CD 12 centimeter, DE 11 centimeter, EF 6 centimeter, GH 7 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 12 it become 20, 20 plus 11 31, 31 plus 6 30, 31 plus 6 37, 37 plus 7 it become 44, 44 plus 10 54 and 54 plus 8 it become 62 centimeters. So perimeter of the given figure is 62 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of given figure. How can we find the area of given figure? That means area of square minus ABCI plus area of rectangle, area of square ABCI plus area of rectangle HIDJ plus area of rectangle GFEJ. So put the value of each. That means area of square 4 square plus 4 multiplied by 16 plus 7 multiplied 6 centimeter square. 4 4s are 16 plus 16 4s are 64 plus 7 6 are 42 centimeter square. Now add 64 plus 16 it become 70 and 70 plus 42 64 plus 16 it become 80. Now 80 plus 42 it become 122 centimeter square. Moving to next question. Question number 8. Complete the figure table. We have given a figure of square. We have to find the length and breadth of the square because we have given the area and also we find the perimeter. So firstly we write let the length and breadth of square is equal to x centimeter. Why we write x centimeter? Length and breadth both, because we know that all the sides of a square are equal. So area of square is equal to 169 centimeter square and also area of square is equal to side multiplied by side. That means 169 centimeter is equal to x centimeter multiply x centimeter. So that means x square centimeter is equal to 169 centimeter square. Now we find the value of x, that means square root of 169 centimeter square. So it become 13. So value of x is equal to 13 centimeter. Why we write is equal to 13? Because when we multiply 13 with 13, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 1 1s are 1. 3 plus 3 is 6, it becomes 169. When we find the square root, that means how can we find the square root of any number 169? It becomes 13 square. So cut the square root with square. In this way we can find the value of length and breadth of a square. It become 13 centimeter. So also we find the perimeter of square. Perimeter of square. That means 4 multiplied by side. 4 multiplied with 13. It become 52 centimeter. So perimeter of square 52 centimeter and length and breadth of square is equal to 13 centimeter. Moving to question number 9. The area of rectangle is same as that of a square of side 16 meter. देखो इसमें क्या है, हमें ना रेक्टेंगल का एरिया फाइंड करना है, वो किसके इक्वल है, जो स्क्वायर की साइड मतलब स्क्वायर के एरिया के इक्वल है. फर्स्टली हमें क्या गिवन है, स्क्वायर साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर कितनी है 16 मीटर. हमें सबसे पहले क्या फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, स्क्वायर का एरिया फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. क्यों, क्योंकि जो स्क्वायर का एरिया वो किसके इक्वल है, रेक्टेंगल के एरिया के इक्वल है. हमें सिर्फ रेक्टेंगल की लेंथ गिवन है. वी हैव गिवन द लेंथ ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. इफ द लेंथ ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज 32 मीटर, फाइंड इट्स perimeter. So firstly write question number 9. Side of square is equal to 16 centimeter. So area of square is equal to side multiplied by side. That means 16 centimeter multiply 16 centimeter. When we multiply 16 with 16, it become 256 centimeter square. So we have given that area of square is equal to area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to area of square. Now again write area of rectangle is equal to length multiply breadth, and value of area of rectangle is 256 centimeter, and we have also given the length of rectangle is 32 meter. That means 32 meter. Sorry, here we have given meter, 16 meter. 32 meter multiply be right as it is, because we have to find the value of breadth. That means 256 meter square divided by 32 meter square is equal to b. When we multiply 32 with 8, it become 256. Check it. 32 multiply with 8. 8 2s are 16, take 1 as a carry. 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 1 25. That means cut the meter with 1 meter, it become 8 meter. So now we have value of length and also value of breadth. Also we have to find the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiply length plus breadth. That means 2 multiply 32 plus 8 centimeter. That means 2 multiply 32 plus 8, 40. 40 multiply 2, it become 80 centimeter. So we find the area of square 256 meter square. Area of rectangle is also 256 meter square, and breadth of rectangle is 8 meter, and perimeter of rectangle is 80 meter. 80 meter. So in this way we can find the area, perimeter of square and rectangle.